Hey guys, Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch, and I bet you guys have seen these on the roof of your coach. There's 3 of them on a GM floor plan. It could be 2 on some of the Coachman series, but this is your plumbing vent. On your sewer system, there is a vent going from the tank, so let the smell go up and out. There is a vent on the kitchen sink, so it doesn't backfeed. And there's one on the bathroom sink in the shower. Well, after 50 years, they end up looking kind of like this. Originally, they're plastic. Somebody maybe, like on this one, put a big blob of stuff around it. Half of them, the vents are blown off the top, right? So what are you going to do with this? Why is it important? Well, the reason it's important, there's a pipe. There's a PVC pipe coming up here, and around that pipe is open to your coach. So if that top blows off, you got a leak, okay? So what are you going to do? What are you going to replace it with? Another one just like it? And they have them. You can buy them just like it. No, my personal opinion, you want to go with something like this. This is a galvanized metal vent. The thing about this vent is, 1, it's metal. It's the last one you're going to buy. But 2, in the hole, in the roof of your coach, is a hole for that other one. And there are screws all the way around it, right? This thing, the base on it is big enough that it covers everything. See how it's a little wider right here? Covers everything. So when you bed that down, all the screw holes and everything are held. Plus, I wish I had one here to show you. But when you take the screw off the top and this cap comes off, inside there are 2 little tabs. You're supposed to grab the PVC pipe and hold it in there straight. Plus, when you put this in, remember I told you the pipe, see, here's your PVC pipe coming up, and you have air can come around here. You ever notice you're driving along and all of a sudden you go, man, there's a chili contest going on in the back. Where's that smell coming from? Well, let me tell you what's happening. Right here, the smell is in here. But when it gets up to the top of the pipe, if you have low pressure inside your coach, it sucks that stuff back in and goes back down the side of the pipe, and you're smelling it. Okay? This is a good place for all that to come from, especially if you're going down the road, because you'll have a low pressure zone inside your coach and it'll pull it in. So what do? You put this new vent in here and you seal up everything around here, and then it's got a tab that grabs the pipe to hold the pipe solid inside this metal thing. You can take it off and check it. You can take that screw off. Again, all these pictures will be on the bottom of the video on the Patreon page. But you can take that thing off and clean it. Now, there's another option that some folks do. You've seen these things, right? Got a little wind vane on it, and the whole idea of this is it creates a low pressure zone back behind here and sucks the stuff out. It's a great idea, but the problem is it has to be swivel. It's kind of like a wind vane. It's got to be on a swivel. This part right here moves. Anything that moves is going to fall off, honestly. And do you want to keep, every time you go out in your coach, say, well, are my plumbing vents in good shape? If you put that on there, shoot, I've got one of those on our house. If you put that on there, you'll never replace another one. And it's $6.99. You can't beat it, right? Buy 3 of them. Go online. This picture's online. They're everywhere. This is the plumbing vent you should put up there, not, where is it? That one. I know the screws are going to line up and all that, but trust me, this is not the one you want to use. All right, listen, if you've done something else with your venting system, let me know. By the way, I'm talking about the smell. Guy saying, God, I walk in my coach, it's not even moving and it smells. I don't understand what's wrong. Think about this. How long has it been since you took a shower? Been a long time, hasn't it? Well, guess what? The P-trap that's in the shower, all the water's dried out of it. And now it's a vent to the tank. Every once in a while, you need to pour some water into the shower drain, into the sink, and into the bathroom sink drain to make sure that the P-trap has water in it. Because again, that's another place. If you walk into coach and there's just smell, you're not moving, it's probably your P-traps. If you're going down the road and you have smell, it's a low pressure zone and it's sucking into the vent. You follow? All right. Well, look, I hope this helps you a little bit, at least to get the smell out of your face. Thanks for your support. This will be in the database. It'll be under exterior. I'm going to break out some of the exterior. I also have a plumbing spot there. So go take a look at that. Thanks for your support again. If you'd like to become a ranch hand, go to the front page of the Patreon site and read how to do it. If you're watching us on YouTube, that's fine. YouTube guys, shoot this QR code right here and it will take you directly to our Patreon site where the pictures will be and where you can become a ranch hand and and all that kind of stuff. All right. Look, again, thanks for your support. It's been a real tough time here with this cancer, but I'm getting out of the bag. I think my head's about half out of the bag. I feel pretty good. Look, thanks for all your prayers and your phone calls. Give me a call. I'm just sitting around here getting better, but you know, if you've got a problem or something, you've got my phone number, I believe. They said don't do this, but it's 321-299-5707. All right. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.